Hey guys, in this video we would be moving forward to install the Visual Studio Code directly on our system, right? So we can either install Visual Studio Code from here, from the website, and we can download it directly here, or what we can do is we can use Visual Studio Code brew command. So we do have a brew command for the same as well. Once we use this command, so Visual Studio Code will automatically be getting installed. So in my case, I have already installed it. So what I'll do is I'll just use Visual Studio Code here, right? And so this is basically already installed, right? So this is a part where we have multiple configurations within the account sections, or we can sync it. We can create multiple profiles, settings, themes, and much more. I believe since you are a developer, I believe you might be aware about the Visual Studio Code setups, right? But this is the way how we can install it. So let me open terminal here. Now let me check the node version, Watchman version. Just because we have node installed, let me check the npm version. Okay. So now all of these versions are installed. Let me check yarn version as well. Okay, so yarn is not installed. So let's quickly install yarn as well, right? So yarn install via npm. Okay, so now let's install yarn globally. Okay, so we got that package added. Now let's check the version. So this yarn also got added. Perfect. Now that's all. And now let's try to check Python. So we have that Python setup also available. Okay. So now I believe the specific types we can install a bit later, based on the project requirement. And we would now be proceeding forward towards our next module, that is some of the application installation like Android Studio or Xcode or multiple other things, productivity tools, etc.